Welcome back everyone to another video on this channel. This time the topic is how to increase or decrease alarm volume on iPhone. Well, you know that if you open up the clock app, you get to the alarms and you can easily just change them or whatever. You can edit it and you can even edit the sound, but you don't really have any kind of volume slider in here, which is a little bit unusual, right? You might expect it here, but you cannot really change the alarm volume when you're setting up the alarm. What you gotta do in this case is to leave the app, open up the settings, and navigate over to sounds and haptics. And in here, you have a slider which is for ringtone and alerts. And alarms to wake you up in the morning are considered to be the alerts here. So essentially, this is the slider to change the volume of your alarm. So you can raise it up, lower it down. You're gonna hear a preview of how loud it's gonna get, as you can hear right now. So that's something that you can just change in here and it's gonna apply to every alarm. Obviously, the downside is that it is the same ringtone for, the volume for ringtones, alarms, and notifications, everything together. You cannot separate it. So that's kind of a downside, but it is what it is. Also, the change with buttons option is an interesting option because in case you come back to the home screen, in this case, you can use the volume buttons, the physical ones, to raise and lower the volume of the ringer instead of the content. So when you disable this, the buttons here are for the content volume, and when you enable the toggle, it is for the alarm, alert, and ringtone volume. So that's how it works. Hope you found this video useful. Hit the thumbs up if you did, subscribe for more, and I will see you later on in the next video.